Hrithik Roshan and Suzanne Khan are getting married. Hrithik Roshan and his ex-wife Suzanne Khan got married in the year 2000 on 20th of December. But unfortunately, after 13 years of their marriage, Hrithik and Suzanne got divorced from each other. In 2014, they were officially separated and started leading their lives separately. But every time they tried to go away from each other, it was their sons who brought them much closer. Because of their two adorable sons, Rehan and Ridan, Suzanne and Hrithik's great bond was never over. The Greek god of Bollywood still shares a great bond with his ex-wife, and Suzanne still respects Hrithik a lot. And if the current reports are to be believed, then Hrithik and Suzanne might get married to each other soon. Yes, 7 long years after their separation, reports suggest they might get married in 2021. But what is the reason behind such a shocking news suddenly? Well, throughout these 7 years, we have seen time and again how Suzanne still stands for Hrithik Roshan. Suzanne has every time supported Hrithik whenever any kind of false news was spread regarding Hrithik and Kangana's ugly spat. Suzanne was even spotted with the whole Roshan family during their vacation to Switzerland. Even during the lockdown for coronavirus, Suzanne along with the two kids shifted to Hrithik's house so that the kids did not miss him. Well, what a sacrifice she made for Hrithik, and it clearly depicts how much she loves Hrithik Roshan. Suzanne recently put up a very beautiful post on the occasion of Hrithik Roshan's birthday. On the other hand, Hrithik too is very much thankful to his ex-wife and still believes that there is no one else like her. On this course of 7 years, the love between them has not decreased for a single person. And a source close to the family has revealed that this couple and their families are considering for the remarriage. Well, this is surely a great news for the fans of this couple. What are your thoughts about their remarriage? Let us know in the comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates from Bollywood.